tuturuan namin kayo paano i-maximize ang inyong Nestle All-Purpose Cream. So, umpisa tayo sa soup. Okay, so I have here, this is bawang. Okay? And then, you add your sliced mushroom. We're making creamy garlic and mushroom soup. So, pwede nyo ma-i-brown ng konti. Huwag lang yung maitim. Diba? Ayaw lang natin, syempre, mapait. You can do this, no? And then, okay. Pinaka-simple is to add yung dalatang mushroom. But again, you know what? Pwede tayo gumamit ng oyster mushroom. Diba kung mga local yan, hindi yung ganun kamahal. You can use oyster mushroom kung ayaw nyo ng delata. Diba? That's perfectly fine. Saka yun nga, help the farmers. Okay? And then after you add your mushroom, diba? You can already add your flour. Okay, ito yung ating thickener. Yan. So, lalagyan nyo muna yung mushrooms, tapos yung flour. Makita mo, kailangan lulutuin mo yung flour, na hindi pwedeng parang basta halo-halo lang. Siyempre, kailangan lulutuin mo yung harina. Dagdagan ko konting oil, parang kulang siya, no? So, ayan. Yan. Pagkatapos mag-brown nung iyong flour, pwede mo na ilagay ang iyong tubig. So, huwag mo na ilagay lahat para yung flour hindi siya mag-swimming ba. This process is called deglazing. Okay, deglazing is, look at that, yung mga yummy na mga yung mga bawang, ganyan, no? Hindi yan maiwan sa lutuan, diba? Kumbaga, babalik yan, yung sarap niya, babalik sa ating food. So, yan. So, add mo muna konting flour, and then, tsaka mo i-add the rest of the liquid. Okay? Add mo siya, ha? Like that. Like so. Okay? And then, you add your magic sarap, no? 2. Kasi we added 4 cups of liquid. So, we use 2 packs of magic syrup. Shout out to my kapitbahay, 2 packs. Shout out to my kapitbahay over in the Scout de Guia, Chef Tatum. Siya nagturo sa akin yan. Bawat 2 cups ng liquid, isang pack ng magic syrup. So, kung 4 cups, 2 pack. Okay, let's go back. Alright, so syempre kita mo, no, pag ganyan, tinan mo yung soup mo, masabaw lang siya, masabaw. Diba, matubig, hindi pa siya creamy. No? So you wait until, you wait until it simmers, ha? Kailangan, isimmer nyo muna ng ganyan. Okay, kapag nag-simmer na, yan na, 1/4 cup only. See? Meron pa akong tira for other things. Diba? I use 1/4 cup. O, kita mo. Look, iba na. Diba? It's very nice. It's very creamy. Okay, sakto lang yan. Ang una kong ginawa ay creamy mushroom soup. Diba? Napaka-bongga, napaka-simple, napaka-bongga. Creamy mushroom soup. Okay? This will serve 4 to 6 people. Dami. And then, best in parsley.